Welcome back to my channel. Hey y'all, thanks for coming back. So as promised, in the last video I told you guys that I was going to be doing a video on the process of my box braids. So here I am, really just moisturizing my hair. And before I get a little more into this video, make sure you like, comment, and subscribe on this video. Please subscribe to my channel if you have not already done so. I am trying to build my followers and it only takes a second. And I appreciate you guys. Thank you. Anyway, yeah, so here I'm brushing through my hair, and I am moisturizing it to prepare myself, to start braiding. Okay, as you can see, I'm trying to part my hair, and I did not have a front and back mirror, so it was very difficult to do so. And forgive my naps, like I said, I should have combed through that, but definitely my hair is growing in the back, so it's still a little short. It's just, I'm in the process of trying to grow my edges, all of those things. But anyway, yeah, I'm trying to part my hair here. As you can see, I'm struggling a little bit, but after I part, I will show you me putting some braids in, not too many, but just to give you an idea of what the braids look like. Okay, here I am just showing you, I did a few braids here, and just for you to get an idea of what they look like. Again, I'm not a professional, as I said it before, but I just needed a protective style. I'm trying to get better, wanting to practice more. Definitely have issues parting, but I'm not going to keep talking about the negative things, but this is just a quick update. Okay, you guys, quick check-in. This is what I have so far. I did a couple in the front. I don't like how loose these are because I'm trying to do the invisible method and it's like not tight enough, and I like my braids tight. So I didn't do that with these because I want to make sure the front is tight enough. So this is what I got so far, and this is what I have in the back. What's up, you guys? So I'm finally done with my hair. Yeah, I was irritated because patience is very minimal when I'm doing my hair usually. It's turned out pretty cute, I think. I wanted more braid, but I think it turned out cute. I'll probably have to touch up my edges when I wear it. See here. Yeah, this is how it turned out. Let me know what you guys think. Do a turnaround really quick. This is just like a quick style. I need it. Going out of town next week, and I didn't want to have to deal with my hair, but this is it. I'm pretty satisfied. Again, I'm not a professional braider. I used to braid hair all the time. I'm trying to get back into it because I'm thinking about, even for extra income at some point, to get a license to braid and just start making money from it if it comes to that. But anyway, tell me what you guys think, and thanks again for coming to my channel, and I hope you like the content. If you want to see anything else, put it in the comments below, and I love you guys. I'll see you next time. Bye.